Hey, welcome back to Lahitro Bank. My name is Adam. Today I want to show you something that sounds crazy at first, but is completely realistic if you do it the right way. I'm going to break down how you can go from just an idea in your head to actual income in your bank account by launching an AI-powered business in just 1 week. Not months, not years, one focus week. Now, let me be very clear before we go deeper. This is not about building the next billion-dollar startup in 7 days. This is about launching something small, smart, and profitable using AI as leverage. Most people fail with business not because they are lazy, but because they overcomplicate everything. AI actually removes a lot of that friction if you use it correctly. Let me start with where most people get stuck. They think the idea has to be unique. It does not. What matters is that the problem already exists and people are already paying to solve it. AI just becomes the engine that lets you deliver that solution faster and cheaper. On the first day, the only goal is choosing the right problem. I don't brainstorm endlessly. I look at where money is already flowing. Businesses struggling with customer replies, content creation, lead follow-ups, scheduling, data organization, or repetitive admin work. These problems are boring, but boring problems pay the bills. AI is extremely good at boring repetitive work. Once the problem is clear, the second day is all about shaping a simple offer, not a product with 10 features. One clear outcome, faster replies, more leads, better content, less manual work. I use AI to help write the offer, clean the language, and make sure it sounds simple and valuable. If a 5-year-old can understand what you are selling, you are doing it right. The third day is setup day. This is where AI does the heavy lifting, using no-code tools combined with AI. I built a very basic system that delivers the result. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to work. Most people waste time trying to build something flawless before anyone even cares. Businesses care about results, not perfection. Day 4 is validation. This is where most people get uncomfortable, but this is also where money starts to appear. I reach out directly to potential customers, not with spam, with clarity. I tell them exactly what problem I solve and how it saved them time or money. AI helps me personalize outreach messages so they don't sound generic. You only need a few yes responses to know you are on the right track. Once someone shows interest, day 5 becomes delivery and feedback. I onboard the client, set things up, and let the AI system do its job. Then I listen carefully. What do they like? What confuses them? What do they want next? This feedback is gold. AI businesses improve fastest when they evolve based on real users, not assumptions. Day 6 is where income becomes repeatable. I refine the process. I document what worked. I simplify onboarding. I use AI to automate parts of my own workflow. So each new client takes less effort than the last. This is how 1 week turns into something sustainable. By day 7, I am no longer guessing. I have proof. I have a working offer. I have real conversations. Sometimes I already have payments. Other times I have strong leads lined up. Either way, the business is real, not an idea anymore. Here's the most important thing I want you to understand. AI does not make money by itself. AI makes money when it is attached to a clear business problem and a clear customer. People who fail with AI chase tools. People who succeed with AI chase problems. If you are watching this and thinking you don't have experience, that's actually an advantage. Beginners focus on results. Experts often overthink. AI levels the playing field more than any technology we've seen before. And let me be honest with you. The reason most people never make income online is not because they lack knowledge. It's because they never ship anything. A 1-week deadline forces action. Action creates feedback. Feedback creates income. If you want, I can make the next video where I pick one real AI business idea and walk through the entire 7-day launch step by step in real time. Or I can break down which AI-powered businesses are easiest for beginners right now in the US market. Tell me in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll build it for you. If this video helped you think differently about AI and income, subscribe to the channel. I'm posting practical AI business videos that focus on real execution, not hype, like the video so more people can find it. And comment below what kind of AI business you want to launch first. I'll see you in the next one.